Ever pondered about the importance of scientific research methods? It's the backbone of all scientific knowledge, from the discovery of penicillin to the development of quantum computers. The methods utilized in science are a series of steps designed to ensure that discoveries are based on evidence, not on personal bias or preconceived notions. The first step in the scientific research method is defining the problem. This is where the researcher identifies the issue they will be investigating. It's like setting the destination for a journey. Next, the researcher conducts a literature review. This step involves exploring what is already known about the topic. By examining previous studies, researchers can stand on the shoulders of giants, building on the knowledge that already exists. The third step is hypothesis creation. The researcher makes an educated guess about the solution to the problem. This hypothesis serves as the guiding light for the research, pointing the way forward. Now, the researcher designs an experiment or determines a data collection method. This is the blueprint for how to test the hypothesis. It's like creating a recipe that can be followed step by step to see if the hypothesis holds water. The fifth step, the collection of data. The researcher executes the experiment or collects the data. This is the hands-on part of the process where the rubber meets the road. Once the data is collected, it's time for data analysis. The researcher scrutinizes the data, looking for patterns and trends. It's like reading a book in a foreign language, where the data is the text and the statistical methods are the dictionary. The seventh step is the discussion of results. The researcher determines whether the data supports the hypothesis and discusses the implications of the findings. It's like a courtroom, where the data is the evidence and the researcher is the judge. Finally, the researcher publishes the results. This step is crucial because it allows others to learn from the research and build upon it. It's like planting a tree in a public park, where everyone can enjoy its shade and birds can nest in its branches. In summary, scientific research methods are a series of steps designed to ensure that discoveries are based on evidence. They involve defining a problem, reviewing the literature, creating a hypothesis, designing an experiment, collecting and analyzing data, discussing the results, and publishing the findings. While these steps provide a general roadmap for scientific research, each discipline and project may have its unique variations. Remember, the beauty of science lies not only in its discoveries, but also in its method. A method that is meticulous, systematic, and above all, based on evidence. This method is the reason we can trust science, and it's the reason why science continues to change our world for the better.